Hi, Virgin here from Balsamiq. Ever wish you could skip redrawing UIs from scratch? Now you can. Image to wireframe is an AI-powered feature that converts screenshots of sketches into editable, low-fidelity wireframes with one click. Upload an image, click the sparkle icon, and let our tool do the rest. It works best for structured UIs, like dashboards or tables. Now that your image has been converted, each element is a Balsamiq UI control that you can edit and arrange to your needs. Whether you're tweaking an existing screen, starting from a sketch, or reacting to a competitor's UX, this gets you moving fast. Skip the blank canvas, start from something real, and iterate faster. Check out our docs for more details. Happy wireframing!